It's Saturday morning today, early morning for us. We're going on a boat tour to see different islands. I think we're gonna see 3 of them. So someone is gonna pick us up in like 2 minutes, so we have to go now.
We decided to go on a boat trip to visit some islands from Athens. The weather was really nice, so it was the perfect time to do it. We found this trip on a website called Viator, but it was also available on TripAdvisor. This one-day boat tour included the visit of 2 islands, but also some snacks on arrival, some lunch on the boat, and unlimited soft drinks on board. For an extra small amount, a round-trip transfer was included. It made it easier for us as the departure was located in the port of Piraeus.
We just arrived in Agistri Island. I think I'm saying it the right way. Apparently it's been voted one of the greenest islands in Europe, so we're just gonna go around and have a look. We've got an hour before we have to head back to the boat, so we're just gonna explore and see what's around here. We've seen the church there, we'll have a look as well, and there seem to be like some nice beaches around, so we'll see.
Our first stop was the island of Agistri, a beautiful green and laid-back island perfect to relax and enjoy the breathtaking beaches. We saw many people riding on bikes around the island and also many cafes and restaurants to enjoy some food. You can easily visit Agistri from Athens for a weekend by getting on a 1-hour ferry from the port of Piraeus. We then stopped in the middle of the sea not far from Agistri to have a swim and enjoy some lunch on the boat. There was a buffet with different options and they made different dishes, so there were some options for vegans and vegetarians too. So we've just arrived here on Aegina Island, the next stop on our boat trip. This island itself actually is the home of pistachio apparently. So we're going to have a look at the pistachio market now, sample a few of the local treats and see what's going on around it. had to try the local pistachio products, and we bought some to take back with us. We also had a walk in the town of Aegina, which was also very charming. With lots of restaurants, shops and cafes, it reminded us a bit of the old town of Corfu with its small and narrow streets.
When we were in Corfu, we met this man and he kept telling us, if you're going to Athens, you have to go to Aegina. He kept telling us how beautiful the island is, and we're here today. We just got back from the old town as well, and he was right. It was really beautiful. There was a lot of small streets with, you know, small shops and restaurants and things like this, and it was actually really, really nice. So we're happy that we're here today.
So up from the old town, which is just a short distance away down the hill there is the archaeological site right here. Altogether, we spent 1 hour and a half on Aegina Island before heading back to the boat. The trip itself lasted around 10 hours, and we enjoyed spending some time on the boat away from the hustle and bustle of Athens.